Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Car Addict again. If you ever come across maybe any front wheel drive car, but especially a 2016 or 17 Civic, because I've never had this happen to me on any other car in my entire life, except for this one. If your car starts sounding like this, it may not be your tire catching a fender liner or a splash guard or anything. What it might be is what I'll tell you in a second. Let's just check out what it sounds like first. So that's what it sounded like. Got it in the air, put it on jack stands, put it in gear, had it going, and this is what I found.
It definitely sounds like that boot.
Go to the other side with the wheel still turned.
I swear it sounds like it's coming from the boot. And there's nothing like inside there pushing on the rubber. It's got plenty of room to move. Nothing's Well, look at that. With grease all over it. The only sound you hear now is the boot pulling apart with the grease. So it's obviously that rubber. Now let's wipe it off. Leaves a dry layer of lubrication. Saw blades and woodworking tools, locks and latches, drawers, windows and door tracks, ropes, lines and cords, cables, lawnmower decks, snowblower chutes, shovel blades. Does not contain silicone or chlorinated solvents. Spin it around, make sure that stuff's working evenly.
So it just sounded like rubber on rubber, rubbing, squeaking, chafing. I don't know how to explain it. So even by hand spinning the rotor, it would make that sound. So I put grease all over the boot just to try to eliminate it from rubbing against each other, and eliminate the sound. And it worked. So I sprayed some contact cleaner on the boot, cleaned all the grease off, and sprayed it with a PB blaster, like dry lube with Teflon or something like that. And I just put a ratchet on the 36-inch nut on the hub so I could spin it by hand while I sprayed the whole surface. Went to the other side, sprayed it, let it dry, put another coat on them, and then now check it out. Perfect silence. Check it out.
Silence. Am I seriously the only one to ever have my CV boots squeak like absolute crazy?
I have no idea how long this is going to last, but I also don't have any idea what caused the problem, because Googling it, on a forum, posting it on YouTube. It's only been like a day, but still, nobody's told me they've ever had this problem. But if you do, here's one way to at least resolve it temporarily. I will report back if the sound comes back. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day.